Well, hey y'all, and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch, and welcome to our guest bathroom. I'm going to be cleaning in here today. I've got to clean around the ceiling all the way down to the floors, and I'm going to be doing a deep clean for Spring Clean 25. So, y'all come along with me as we take care of this 40-year-old bathroom. Uh, I, I'm guesstimating it's around 40 years old. I know the tub is, the toilet and the sink has been replaced, but the bathtub has not been replaced, and it is really dingy looking, and there's really not much I can do about it. One of the homemade cleaners I use is called a magic tub cleaner. It's 2/3 cup of vinegar with dish soap, about 1/3 cup of dish soap. And it is really, really powerful. So what I would suggest is that you would spray this maybe before you go to bed, close the door and allow it to do its work, and then get up the next morning and clean it up, because it is very, very powerful. And you also want to make sure you're using this in a ventilated room. I may not be using this today, just so you know, but I do this. This is my tub cleaner that I use on a regular basis. So I've got spots on my walls, and I've got a very old shower stall back here. And there's, like I said, there's not a lot we can do with it, but we're going to get it as clean as we possibly can. So y'all come along and clean with me. Got a few dust bunnies. Some of that was from the floor though, but most of it was from that ceiling and the walls. I mean, you know it's bad when you've got hair stuck to your wall. So that's the first step, is to go around your ceilings and get all of that dust off your ceilings. I'm going to clean that window up there towards the end and my mirror in here. Then we're going to put everything back in the bathroom, show you what it looks like. Whew. Quite dusty. Soap in here with a little bit of that magic tub cleaner, because I'm working in the room. I don't want all those fumes in my face. And I'm using some old rags. We're going to start with the shower. And I have to get in the shower to do this. And normally I would take my shoes off, but because I have that wound on my foot, I can't do that. And I'm just going to go as high as I can. I had planned on using a mop for this, but I couldn't find the piece that I needed to go to the mop that I was going to use. So what I'll do is I'll get my husband to come in here after I'm done, because he's taller than I am and he can reach the ceiling and I can't. y'all, my bathroom is now spring clean and it is ready for the season, and I'll come in every 3 to 6 months and really do a deep clean. The reason I wash the walls is because bacteria can build up on your walls in your bathroom over time, and you don't want to live in that environment. So uh, a good cleaner for this was the vinegar solution that I make for my tub. Um, it's vinegar, 2/3 cup of vinegar, 1/3 cup of dish soap. You can add water to it. You can thin it out and wash your walls down. Really did a good cleaning job. It got rid of a lot of the water drips on the wall that didn't look very pretty, and it now smells fresh and clean in here. We're going to take a closer look. Now, I didn't clean my rack off. I need to come back and do that. And I also need to wipe down my mirrors in here. But that cabinet looks really, really well. This is where we keep all our towels and stuff above our toilet. And our toilet is nice and clean now, inside and out. I'm going to rehang this. This is more in line with the shower curtain era, and I thought it would be pretty in here, and I'm probably going to retire my lily painted by my friend. There's the shower curtain. And the shower is clean. The tub will never look clean, y'all. We're going to be replacing that hopefully very soon. But that's it. We have toured the guest bathroom. Spring Clean 25 is an open collaboration for the month of April. Anyone can join in. All you have to do is add your video, use the hashtag SpringClean25, tag my channel, The Hillbilly Chicken Ranch, and use the playlist in your description box. I hope this has inspired you to do some spring cleaning. Come along and clean with me. Thank you for watching, my friends, and may you be fully blessed.